Hey guys, what's up, my dudes? Meow. So first I'm gonna freaking take this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer and then put it on my lids as a primer and stuff, you know, all that good stuff. And you know, you gotta blend it out. And then I'm gonna take this blue, darkish blue, and then I'm gonna put it on my outer corner, the outer half of my eyeballs. And yeah, just stamp that on to put the color on. I'm gonna take a Wet n Wild creme brulee and then put it on my brow bone. Yeah, and put it, and then I'm gonna take the blue and put it in my crease on the inner half of my eyelids and stuff. Yeah. Then I'm gonna take this really dark purple and then put it on just barely on the outer corner to deepen up, you know, deepen it up and make it look more purple because that's kind of what I wanted. But yeah, anyway. And then I'm also putting that in the crease, but not as high as the blue. Same goes for the outer corner. Then I'm gonna take a clean brush and then I blend it out. I blend it a lot, so you're gonna want to do that. Then I'm retaking the purple and doing that. And then I'm taking concealer and I'm half cutting my crease. And what I'm doing here is I'm taking it higher than my crease because my eyes are like slightly hooded, and if I did it right in my crease it would look just bad. And yeah, so I'm putting all of that in and blending that out. Then I'm setting it with the creme brulee again, and then I'm taking a little bit more of that blue and just diffusing, you know, the crease and stuff. Not the crease, but you know, the cut. Then I'm taking this mica powder, this gold mica powder, and then I'm lining the half cut crease thinly, or at least trying to anyway. And I actually took it on the inner corner as well, slightly, just, you know. And then I am taking my concealer and kind of all over my face because I didn't want to use my foundation today. And of course blend that out. Then I am taking my mascara and thinly coating my lashes because I'm going to be putting some lashes on soon. And boom bam, you got your lashes. I just did the rest of my face and then put on a nude lip, which is LA Colors Matte Liquid Lip in Suede. So yeah, that's the look. Of course I did my eyebrows as well, but yeah. Okay, thanks for watching.